Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to change the site title and tagline in your WordPress website. Let's dive into it. So now to get started, first of all, you'll have to open up the website where you need to change the site title and tagline. So for that, I've opened up a website in front of me. So to edit the site title and tagline, you will have to go to WP admin. If you are not logged in, you'll have to log in first. And here, once the dashboard is opened, I'll go to appearance and then customize. And something like this will open up for you. On the left hand side, you'll see a lot of options to edit your website, and on the right hand side it will show you the preview of the website. So to edit the site title and tagline, you'll have to go to site identity on the left side here, or maybe you can click the pencil icons shown just before the site title and tagline. So we'll click the pencil icon here, and it will open up the panel for me where we can change the site title and tagline easily. So let's change the title and tagline to maybe my awesome website, and the tagline to awesome blogs, right? And let's publish this to see how it looks on the front end. And now I will refresh the front end, and yeah, the site title and tagline has been updated successfully. So if you want to add a logo instead of the site title and tagline, we can also do that here. For that, we'll have to go to customize again, and here you'll see an option to select logo. Let's go to media library to select our logo, and here I have uploaded an image so we can see how the logo looks like. I am selecting this image and clicking the select button here, and it will ask me to crop the logo or something. I will just click skip cropping here, and now the logo is being uploaded here. I will disable to display the site title and tagline to see how it works. And now our logo is appearing just where the site title and tagline were appearing, right? So let's publish this and see how front end looks like. And yeah, the site title and tagline has been successfully updated to a simple logo. Like this, you can update the site title and tagline on most of the website. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and drop your comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. Also, if you want to learn the WordPress permalink structure and how to edit the WordPress permalink, how to set different types of WordPress permalinks, and how you can change the URL structure of your WordPress websites, just click on the top right side of this video in the icon. I have uploaded the link of the video so you can see. So don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be posting more valuable content to this channel, and I'll be adding more detailed courses in WordPress. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.